Hello everyone, for this particular part of the video, we are now just going to take note of some useful points, okay? For shortest distance from a particular point, example C, to a line AB, okay? There exists this shortest distance, and this shortest distance correspond, right, to the perpendicular distance. It just so happened, okay, from this point C to this line AB. Okay, so for example, so if I were to do a rough sketch of this point C to a line AB, for example, then the shortest distance from this point C to the line AB happens to be this particular line here. That's the shortest distance, and this shortest distance happens to be a perpendicular to the line AB. So I shall call this point, example, PC. So therefore this line PC is the shortest distance, and the shortest distance always correspond to the perpendicular distance. Okay, so that's the first point to take note. Another point to take note about this shortest distance is that it happens, okay, when the angle of elevation and the angle of depression is the greatest, when the object is viewed at a position that is the nearest or shortest, nearest to the object. So in this case, that is what we are saying is that we should be looking at this shortest distance when we are talking about greatest angle of elevation and depression. So similarly, the angle of elevation and depression is the smallest, therefore when it is further from the object itself, so that is the smallest. Okay, so this is something useful to take note of when we continue to solve more problems on trigonometry.